Hi everyone. So my name is Jarrell Watts, and this is Food and Literature. And the presentation I'm going to be doing today is on the movie Pig. So I'll go ahead and begin, and just bear with me. I'm gonna be moving through the slides, trying to make sure I answer the questions that are needed for the class versus spending too much time on giving you all the summary. So we'll go ahead and start. Wait, so Pig. Pig is directed by Michael Sarnowski, and it is starring Nicolas Cage, Alec Wolf, Adam Arkin, and Pig. In the movie, Nicolas Cage's name is Robin. So, Robin is a chef who resides in Portland, Oregon. Something traumatic happens that causes Robin to just pretty much up and disappear and retreat to the backwoods of Oregon. 10 years has passed. Robin is now a truffle hunter with his pig, and the two of them sell their supplies to a gentleman named Amir every Thursday. Amir happens to share with someone else that he has a connection on truffles, and that person ends up stealing the truffle pig from Robin. Robin contacts Amir to help him out with transportation, and they travel back to Portland to seek answers on where the pig is at. The movie is set in a few different scenes, and this is where we began to see the characters all advance and the growth there from each scene and what is required from them based upon those settings. We finally find out who has stolen the pig, and it was Amir's father, who also is a restaurant owner. Robin attempts to get the pig back, and the Amir's father, whose name is Damien, refuses, and then ultimately tells Robin that the pig has passed away. So that is the premise of the movie, and we'll continue on by answering the questions that have been asked for this class. So we're going to slide through these last few slides. All right. Why this works as a piece of food. What does truffle symbolize for the three characters, Robin, Amir, and Darius? All right. In the beginning, we learn that Robin and his foraging pig are truffle hunters. Truffles are globally valued and are highly sought after in the culinary world. So, right there, in terms of culture, truffles are everywhere, right? They're valued here, same way they're valued in China, same way they're valued in France. So, we know that in terms of the connection that it has amongst communities. That in the culture, there's an underlining culture for truffles in the food industry because they're highly sought after, as we just learned, as well as they're an aphrodisiac, which also represents a specific, let's say, demographic that may be interested in those as well. The movie is not solely about truffles, but they symbolize something different to all characters, including Robin, Amir, and Darius. So, for Robin, we learn at the end of the movie that he doesn't actually need the pig to find truffles, and that he lives in the backcountry, isolated away, no phone, no car. So, I would say for him, truffles symbolizes the pastimes of him hunting out with his pig. Also, one thing I forgot to mention was that um, Robin's wife, who was not in the film, who I believe passed away, was the one that gave him the pig. So I believe that, along with truffles symbolizing something to Robin, I believe that the pig symbolizes love for his wife there. So believe that the truffle symbolizes past times that he had with the pig out hunting, and the pig symbolizes love he has for his wife. Amir is driven by intrinsic motive. So he wants to be successful. He wants to show his dad and prove his dad wrong, that he can win out here. And I believe truffles symbolize to him success, growth, respect. Those are all the things that he's trying to gain for his determination. And this is why that he joined in on the journey to go and find what happened to the pig, because he also has a connection there. And then for Darius, I believe that for him that truffles symbolizes just the hate that he hates to see his son be in a position where he can be successful. So I believe that for him, I would like to say that truffles symbolizes hate. This is why he went out of his way to steal the pig, as well as try to lie in terms of why he wasn't willing to return the pig. So that is why I feel that this works as a piece of food. It changes from character to character in terms of what it symbolizes. And as we move on, so theme number one. Okay, theme number one. So explain your understanding of the themes from our class. All right, so knowing that Robin was a renowned chef, we know that he was not always isolated, secluded, or a man of few words. The passing of his wife changed his identity to the man that he is now. So for with the kidnapping of Pig, we see the dynamics of Robin's character adjust depending on the setting that he's in. So for example, there was one scene where Robin needed to enter into a fight club. So we're talking about a man that has generally been isolated for at least 10 years, where his best friend is a pig. He's now in a fight club position where his fight or flight instincts are, right there. He did this because he was told by the people that he thought he could trust in Portland that he doesn't have any value after leaving the food industry 10 years prior. So he did this, and through that we were able to see the dynamics of his role, and his character began to change. And then another example would be there was another part in the movie where Robin and Amir went to a restaurant that had information on where the pig was at, and the lead chef there was having a conversation with Robin about how much he respects him, and he didn't really want to give him any information. And Robin kind of got a sense that there was an underlining cause there, and this was, the chef was not actually happy. So Robin was able to adjust his character to become more social, to be able to, to have a tie-in with with the chef, to get him to open up, to feel that he can trust Robin and be more comfortable with him. So that is another example of how Robin's identity needed to change throughout the movie to fit the dynamics of the scenes that they were being placed in. All right, and then theme number two. Hey, theme number two. So, how does Truffles evolve during the story? So, in the beginning in the beginning, we are led to believe that Truffles signal a way of life for Robin. This is his only known source of income, and obviously, if he doesn't have the pig, he can't find the truffles, which means he doesn't have the income. In the movie, we see how truffles are valued based upon others' reactions when they hear that his pig is missing, and the way that Amir reacts to joining in on the search. It is not till the end of the movie that we learn that Robin does not actually need the pig to find the truffles, and that he can do it without the pig. And this is another example of how his character has progressed through the movie. So in the beginning of the film, we are all led to believe truffles, are a significant, reasoning behind the search for the pig, right? And we're not really thinking about the pig itself. But come to find out that is not the case. So again, we see how Robin's character, how it has been constructed to fit the needs of the role, right? So him being just this isolated man now needs to become a man of many words if he wants to figure out what happened to his pig. And in addition to that, he begins to open up throughout the film to where he's now more talkative and more friendly. As I mentioned, he's more sociable as well. And then in summary, does this work exemplify some of what we looked at this semester? Yes, I thought this film spoke about culture. We spoke about how truffles are sought after in the industry. So, and then of course we spoke about them being an aphrodisiac. So again, there is a particular outside of the industry, there are people that will go out and seek these things. So there is a culture amongst them, and as well as just in the industry alone. Truffles symbolizes just high value. Maybe even fancy. They are quite expensive. We spoke about them being about $2,200 a pound. So there's a lot there in terms of what we looked at throughout the semester related to the film. And then how would you recommend this work to others interested in this topic? So I would recommend the movie for sure. And I also think this would be a good movie to use in this class down the line just because of the dynamics of all of the characters involved. They speak about culture. They speak about there's not much gender involved in this film because it's just three main characters and they're not actually like set in a restaurant setting. But this film does a good job at embodying what we spoke about throughout this semester in food and literature. So that is Pig by Jarrell Watts for food and literature, and that is my time. Thank you all.